The next day morning in Juda campsite starts with an amazing view and filled with full snow. And everyone woke up to see the beauty of Kedarkantha. And we had our breakfast and packed all the stuff for the summit.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is day 3. We are in Juda. So now we are going for the frozen river. So once that is done, we will be starting to the Kedarkantha Base Camp. So everyone started packing it. So time is like around 8:30 something. We had just food. We'll go to the base camp.
रखने करेक्ट ओके कोई इधर उधर जाता है तो फिर मिस हो जाएगा इसलिए आप लोग हमारे फेस याद रखना कितने लब्बू रावत जी बोल सकते हैं मी एंड संजू बबलू और
बबली भाई
ठीक है
आ जाओ ना बबली भाई आ जाओ
5 चेहरे याद रखने
Welcome to the party.
ये वो सुल्तान मूवी के हीरो
भाई जी एक बार खाली नाम वापस बता दीजिए खाली
बबलू भाई
बबली भैया
विजय भाई
बिजू भाई ठीक है
संजू भाई
मुक्की भाई
Everyone seems so excited and it's freezing cold even in the morning. All the excitement coming out as loud out there. Even I wanted to shout loud as crazy.
जुड़ा का तरफ लेक वेलकम टू आ जाओ जल्दी आओ गाइड है Finally to the lake. 8,860 feet. Oh man, it's full crowded there. Huh? To the frozen lake. Arey man, it is full crowded. December time na, it is full crowded. Frozen lake.
Oh, hi, we have reached frozen lake.
Smiles on everyone's face after seeing the frozen lake. And I'm seeing it too for the first time. And I was speechless after seeing the beauty. It is frozen full.
Walking on the frozen lake.
Freezing?
Yeah, yes.
I'm scared.
Why? You will not drown.
This
Come.
will not break, no.
Wait.
I'm gonna kick you.
This will break.
No. Please.
Arey, where is it's amazing. But it was not frozen full. It was frozen half only. So if you see this place and all, it is not frozen full. But this place is frozen full. Like they are scolding. Okay, next stop, base camp.
The trail started back. Another 2 more kilometers need to walk for the Kedarkantha Base Camp.
Tea point. I think we have reached Kedarkantha Base Camp. It's almost 1:30 now. I really like everywhere it is slippery only. See?
16 लोग गए क्या?
16 लोग गए हैं अभी.
You know, this is our first time snow experience, and man, it is amazing. I don't know whether you can able to see or not. Those are the peaks. 1, 2, 3. Chalo, we'll go to the camp and we'll have food. So today is the end. That means like this is the last camp. So from here we have to go to the summit tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning we'll be waking up around like 2. So from there we'll be reaching the summit 3 kilometers and we'll be reaching back to the same camp. Okay, we'll meet you after lunch.
The campsite was super cool. I have never seen this much beauty in my life. So we reached our camp and resting a bit for a thrilling summit in the morning. It's 2:30 am and minus 10 degree temperature. All the headlamps are up and running. And we reached the most beautiful place I have ever seen in my life. Kedarkantha Summit, the place of heaven. All the people raising the flags with happy tears. Life needs always some kind of achievement, and this is so big for most of us. And the most important thing, watching the sunrise from 13,000 feet. That was something feel super cool. The feel everyone experiencing was priceless. That view you will never get to see unless you are there. So now summit is done, and you know, returning was super fun. We all are sliding everywhere. Crazy, right? Few things in life we won't get it until we are in it, and Kedarkantha is one of the place. I wanted to spend more time there, but that's life, right?
ಪೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅದೊಂದು ಕೀழே போகும். Holy. போலாம். நீங்க போனா தான் கால் போக மாட்டேங்குது ப்ரோ.
And there you go, the end of my beautiful journey of Kedarkantha, leaving the trail with full memories and always to be remembered. Enjoy every moment you live. See you guys on the next episode of New Journey.